Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Gmail and clicking Compose. This creates a new message window. Enter the recipient into UCC for visible copies, BCC for private copies. Type a clear subject so the recipient knows the purpose. Once done, start your message with a short greeting, then state the core point in the first 2 sentences. This helps busy readers. Make sure to keep sentences direct and pause to scan for clarity before proceeding to attachments or advanced options. Next, focus on composing and enriching the message. Use the formatting toolbar to emphasize key points with bold or bullets and insert links to external resources when useful. Attach files with the paperclip icon or drag and drop. Gmail handles common formats but enforces size limits, so choose Drive for large files. Once attachments upload, verify they open correctly. Also, preview the message to confirm spacing and links. This reduces follow-up questions and makes your email look professional. Finally, click Send and watch for Gmail's confirmation in the corner. That tells you it left your outbox. If you spot a mistake immediately, use Undo Send within the recall window to edit or cancel. Set that window longer in settings if you often revise. If delivery fails or bounces, check the recipient address for typos and reduce attachment size or send via Drive. One key troubleshooting tip: if messages aren't sending, verify your internet connection and sign-in status before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.